as promised, we're out here in the forest doing a little truck camping. I was hoping for a little bit of snow, but as you can tell, all we have is rain and mud. It is supposed to chill down tonight, so if this precipitation continues, that might turn into a little bit of snow. This little primitive campground here, I don't know how many spots it has. It's looking pretty empty right now, except it's gonna be me and this bus. I'm gonna go, I don't know, check out and see how far back this goes and how secluded it might get. The spot's looking pretty good. Quite a lot of trees you gotta navigate around in here. But makes it part of the fun. And a good thing about having a tiny little truck like this Tacoma. Bad little spot if you ask me. Got plenty of space here. Obviously it's kind of the off season, so there's not a lot of people here at the moment, but I think this will do just nice for the night. It's already pretty cold out, so I'm having a feeling I'm going to spend most of this time in the truck, which is fine because that's what I built it for. And we got the Mr. Buddy heater to keep us warm. Let's see, it's currently 30, and tonight it's supposed to get down to a bit, oh my gosh, it's gonna get down to 12 degrees. The bus over there definitely has the right idea. They've got the wood stove burning, or at least some sort of exhaust. I'm assuming that's a wood stove in their bus, and I think that's the plan. It's just hang out in here. I've got all my food. I can pretty much cook it all inside of the truck. Yeah, I don't really need to get out for much. So I guess let's hop in and get things kind of situated. The mud is already an issue. I'm gonna try not to get my tailgate covered and stuff. Yeah, I don't know how that's gonna happen. Be able to kick them off here. Question is, where am I gonna leave them? Because they're covered in mud. I don't know. On the ground for now. Always bring a little pair of slippers or something. Cooler. You know, I think the move here is going to be maybe give myself a bunch of counter space. No, I think I'm gonna leave the floor down for now. I'll maybe use that later. I'll just push this back here, the cooler, and take the Mr. Buddy heater. He can just chill right there. Or even better yet, you can chill up here. Alright, we've already got more space. One thing I could use is like a coat rack, but I guess there's no real good place for it. I'm gonna go ahead and get the sleeping bag out now because it's in its little bag, and when it's in there, it's compressed. So you really want to let it air out and fluff up for a bit, because that's how it's gonna keep you warm at night. If you just whip it out of the bag, crawl into it, it's probably not gonna be that warm. I will say I'm a little nervous about the cold. I knew it was going to get down to the teens. I thought the high teens. 12 degrees is a bit chilly, but I mean, that's what I got the Mr. Buddy heater for, so we're really going to be testing it out tonight, boys and girls. Oh, can I get the camera? Come here. Well, the truck camper is all set up, at least until I need to start cooking. Then I'll have to do a little more rearranging. But it's only 4:30 right now, and I got quite a few hours to still kill before dinner. So I think I brought the iPad with some movies on it for later. I think I'm going to read. I think I'll try and knock out a chapter of this. This book is called The Ultimate Real Estate Machine, and I actually got this from a guy that I was filming for a TV show. His name is Jason Williford. Shout out to you, Jason, if you ever watch this, but I'm reading your book, and although it's about real estate, I'm kind of interjecting the word YouTube into it whenever it says real estate, and you would be surprised at how applicable this real estate kind of deal is to just life in general. Even my YouTube channel, like I said, I'm just interjecting the word YouTube, and it's kind of repurposing this entire book basically just for me as a content creator. So that's really cool. I'm right now only two or three chapters in, so I'm gonna try and knock out a chapter of Jason's book real quick. I was just coming over here doing a little exploring out by the curtains. Lift up this little guy. No, that is not chill. Big old spider's nest there, and one right there on the underneath the other curtain. Dude, I sleep right here. I don't need you sleeping right above me. I gotta deal with this right now. I gotta break out a whole roll of toilet paper just to get rid of you guys. Come on now. Waste a good TP. Set that there. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I don't want you to run away, dude. No. I'm gonna have to kill him with the knife first, cause fuck that running around in here. That's gonna be a no from me, dog. I don't even think there's anything in that one. Probably the same spider. Sorry, you've been evicted. Almost getting dark out now, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and rearrange in here and get it set up for cooking, which means I gotta move the heater, jump out, grab a bunch of cooking stuff from underneath here, and then I think I'm gonna move up. I'm gonna set up this half of the second bed because that's gonna give me a ton of counter space. My battery pack powering my lights is already down to 20%. It's only been running for maybe 15 minutes. I'll run it till it turns off, and then we'll use the lantern, I suppose. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting dinner set up. I just grabbed everything I think I need out of the drawer, the kitchen, if you will. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab everything out now and try and set this up. I did set up this extra, or half of the second bed, because that way it gives me still leg room, place for the heater, and I have a large place to cook now along with this countertop here. So we're gonna need onion, sour cream, white rice, chili man, butter and cheese, and oh yeah, Brussels sprouts. I forgot I even brought these. Oh, can't forget one of these. It's gonna be the dankful. think I'm gonna start on the rice first, just because I think that's gonna take the longest. And I'll go ahead and probably just put all of this in a pot. Yeah, it might be a little more than we need, but we'll see. You know what? I used the wrong pot. It's got to go in this one because this is the one I have an actual lid for. Oh. I'm also going to go ahead and add some of the stuff that Jenna got me for Christmas. And it's from the Berkshires, where we used to live. It's called Rolling Rock Salt. And it's basically got just a ton of different ingredients in it. I mean, peppercorn, onion, garlic, salt, mustard seed, celery, carrots, bell peppers. There's just a whole plethora of stuff in here. I haven't tried it yet. And I think I'll spice up these sprouts with it. Oh, it probably helps if I take the top off. There we go. Just when I thought I didn't have a lid for that pot. Of course I do. I have this pan here. That just so happens to fit perfectly. That looks like some Star Wars crazy backdrop. I just opened the tailgate to make sure all this moisture from cooking makes its way out, because I don't want it sitting in here. I can deal with the cold for now, but I've got the rice back on just to kind of get rid of that water a bit faster, and the chili over here just chilling. And then I've also got the sprouts underneath the sleeping bag, keeping them really nice and warm so I don't have to reheat them. What we have here are Brussels sprouts with garlic, white rice, chili that Jenna made, beef chili, some cheese, sour cream, topped with onion, and my grandpa's little spice mix we call Chili Man. I'm always a big fan of chili. It's probably a good thing I'm sleeping alone in this truck and Jenna's not here, because well, I'll leave a window cracked. This looks delicious. I haven't eaten since probably 12 o'clock, and it's now it's coming up on 7, so it's overdue. Wow. You know, that's some impressive stuff. I didn't even put any extra salt on it. I just put this Rolling Rock Salt. Ain't nothing but chicken. I won't say it, but yeah. I didn't realize it said that before. Anyways, it's a really good seasoning. It's all I used, besides butter, it's all I used on the sprouts, and I'm gonna rate this dish like a nice 8.3 out of 10. I'm full. I watched a movie. I'm tired. It's 10:15, and I think I will see you guys in the morning. I'm going to be cooking up some eggs, potatoes, coffee per usual cowboy style, and yeah, hopefully we wake up to some snow outside this tailgate. I'll see you guys in the morning. I just woke up to turn on the heater. It's 4 in the morning, and I checked the temperature. It's down to 16 degrees. It's definitely pretty chilly, and it was definitely starting to get really cold in here. But the sleeping bag is doing the most hard work right now and keeping me warm. But I figured I'd wake up anyways, just turn on this heater buddy and let the whole space heat up for a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to sleep for another few hours, but 16 degrees, it's pretty chilly. I'm out of the truck, got it warmed up, and look at that sunrise. Jeez, that is epic. A lot of orange and teal this morning. Last night was pretty damn cold. A lot of condensation up in there, so you know, survived. But I think I'm just gonna head out early this morning. I'm gonna skip the breakfast. It's about 12 degrees out. I'll go home and make that heat up truly, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep elevating, and thank you so much for sticking around with me in these cold truck camping videos. If you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, comments below. See you next time. Keep elevating.